poppets, and mochis. So first we're gonna start off with the stress balls. So there's 2 of each. This one is green. There's another one like this. It's not that good. It's like have riot like rice maybe. I don't know, foam balls. And there's a green one like this. So yeah. And there's an Orby one, and there's a green one with green with like purple instead of clear. There's like purple, so yeah. And this, what colors? This is pink, like magenta or something, and red. The other one is blue and purple. I don't know how to describe these. There's like slime in them. Yeah, I'll get the other one. Oh, ow. This is this one. It's so amazing. So those are just so amazing. Like, so amazing. Like, I don't even know what to say. Okay, and these are the poppets. I don't want to really pop them, but because they're on the good side. Okay, this is good side, bad side. Wait, bad side.
I can't see it.
See, yeah. This is the good side. This is the bad side. So yeah, a mini popsicle, a hot pink pineapple, and one more, a monkey, the good side, the bad side. So they're actually pretty good poppets, as I say. Okay, the mochis. They come in a tub like this. And this is just half of the mochis. This is half. Half. I'm sorry it's a little far away. I didn't really have other place to put it. So, yeah. And so, yeah. Are you almost done, Elise? Elise, come here.
What?
Guys, you're gonna film a video. Alright. So this is my sister, Elise.
Yes.
And you're gonna be rating the fidgets. And I have 5 left. So first you're gonna start off with poppets. So here's the monkey poppet. So she rated it, guys, a 9.5. Right now installing poppets. Okay. Now this is the pineapple poppet.
Eight.
She rated this an 8.
It's not an accurate representation of a pineapple.
Now, popsicle.
You save the best for last.
Isn't that like, did you plug it in?
Yeah, it'll change. It's changing colors. 10. How many drops?
And this was a 10.
What?
So,
2.
and I'm gonna start off with the pink stress balls. First, gonna start off this one.
This can go down a hole.
Well, how much do you rate it?
A 0.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the Orby.
Oh, 10, definitely.
We're gonna do the Orby stress ball 10. Now the best.
You're never supposed to block the vent.
I didn't.
The vent shows it's on the bottom. So how are you?
Maybe hold it for a second. Let's see. 10.
Okay, she rated this a 10, the best. Alright, so now these are the same thing. These are just the same thing. So yeah, these are just the same thing. But you can play with them. Alright. So we're gonna open some of the mochis. So we're gonna open this one. Here's 2 of each. Wait,
You mean like?
Stick it. Alright, so here's one of the emojis. Actually, we're just gonna open all of them. So here's one. And you're not gonna keep any. Elise?
Yes.
There's two of each the same animal. So yeah.
8. It's not as squishy or sticky.
Now the ones you want.
I want to octopus. Oh, yeah, no, it's just Marlene. Marlene's baby. 10, because it's so cute. That's
Okay.
so much.
The other one. I don't know why there's two. But like
So you can give one to your favorite big sister.
No, you're my only big sister.
That's the point. I'm your only sister.
Okay.
Oh, it's Pickle. It's Pickle.
Pickle.
That's a 10.
Alright, another one. Which is the same. Ooh, those are kind of nice. It's turtle.
10.
And you?
Stop. Candy cane.
We can't.
Did you see they had the baby? They did. Candy cane and Baby J had the baby. Baby had baby.
Baby. Baby J had baby, and the baby had baby.
Okay.
Alright, here's that one.
Oh, this isn't as squishy, but it's really cute. It's a 10.
Okay, another. Well, it's the same thing.
I feel like one of them is squishier. Are these seals? They're so cute. Or are they bears? Either way, they're really cute. It's a 10.
Oh, those are. I don't know.
So this one's squishier.
Oh my gosh, look your fat butt. Where's the. Oh, there it is. Okay.
You're right, my butt is fat. PHAT. It's a little piggy. It's a little piggy. Mom,
Those are.
it's a hippo.
The
Hippos are
last.
sick.
The last. Yeah.
Is it Estina? Is it Adam? These are so cute. These are all 10s. All of them are 10s. Oh, thanks. Can I please take the octopi?
No.
Octopus, can I just take one, please?
Marlene better die then.
I
Why
think
would
it's only fair since you made her rate them.
Yes, I did have to be in this video. I did want to be in this video.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because we're trying to get to 20 subscribers. What?
Who is that?
So I hope you love this video. So please